2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 400. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a harmonious blend of sporty performance, user-friendly features, and an iconic design. Renowned for its dynamic character and approachable demeanor, the Ninja 400 caters to novice riders seeking the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a supportive platform for skill development. 1. Iconic sport bike design. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 boasts the unmistakable design of a sport bike, with sharp lines, aggressive fairings, and the iconic dual headlight front end. This aesthetic mirrors the DNA of its high-performance siblings, presenting riders with a visually striking motorcycle that immediately communicates its sporty pedigree. The Ninja 400's design not only appeals to riders seeking a bold and dynamic look but also sets the stage for an exhilarating riding experience. 2. Responsive parallel twin engine. At the heart of the Ninja 400 is a responsive 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers an exciting yet manageable performance. The engine's smooth power delivery and torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The Ninja 400 offers ample power to satisfy the desire for speed while ensuring a controlled and accessible riding experience for those in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. 3. Nimble handling for confidence. Weighing in at a reasonable figure, the Ninja 400 features a lightweight and agile chassis, contributing to nimble and confident handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for smooth maneuvering through city streets and precise control on winding roads. The Ninja 400's balanced handling encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, providing a gradual introduction to the nuances of sport riding. 4. Comfortable sport riding ergonomics. While the Ninja 400 embraces its sport bike lineage, it doesn't compromise on rider comfort. The bike features a sport riding position that strikes a balance between performance and ergonomic support. The slightly forward-leaning posture, coupled with a comfortable seat, ensures that riders can enjoy extended journeys without excessive strain, making the Ninja 400 suitable for both spirited rides and daily commutes. 5. Advanced features and safety. Positioned as an entry-level sport bike, the Ninja 400 incorporates modern features to enhance both safety and convenience. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 may come standard, providing riders with added confidence and control, especially in emergency braking situations. The Ninja 400 may also feature a digital instrument cluster, offering riders essential information at a glance and contributing to a modern riding experience. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 emerges as an exhilarating and accessible choice for riders eager to embark on their sport riding journey. Its iconic sport bike design, responsive parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced features make it an ideal option for beginners seeking a dynamic and engaging riding experience. Whether carving through twisty roads, hitting the track, or simply enjoying the thrill of sport riding, the Ninja 400 offers a versatile and supportive platform for novice enthusiasts. As a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to providing an exciting entry point into the sport riding realm, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.